Islam conference UK and Pakistan
With the vision to
this
serve the
Saturday,
underserved
28th
people
of
residing in
2014,
rural and remote areas
Sahara
of
for Life
Pakistan,
Trust
the foundations
with
of
Abrar
Sughra
al-Haq
Shafi
and
Medical
Israr al-Haq.
Complex, the first project of Sahara
Inshallah,
for Life Trust, was
8
laid
o'clock
in the
to 3
underdeveloped
o'clock in the
area of
morning
Narwal. The
for
complex spread
Ramadan.
over 150 canals,
Appeal,
out of which
please give your
150,000
zakat
square feet has been
and
covered by the
hopefully
250-bedded
make a
hospital, which
better
caters 10,000
and
patients
good
OPD per
up-running
month.
hospital.
The departments
Up
that are providing
Sahara for
medical
Life
and
Trust
surgical
is a
treatments
big
round the clock
hospital.
in Sughra Shafi
It's up
Medical
and running,
Complex,
but we need
Narwal,
more funds.
include emergency
People
trauma center, medicine,
of
surgery,
the
gynae,
hospital
pediatrics,
are
ophthalmology,
dying every
ENT,
15 minutes.
psychiatry,
So
urology,
please
and
help us.
orthopedics.
Every penny
Other
matters.
facilities including X-ray,
Please, that's all I'm
ECG,
saying from
ultrasound,
bottom of
latest
my heart.
laboratory, ambulance
Thank you
services
very
and
much.
blood bank services.
Ramadan Mubarak.
ICU and CCU units are saving the lives of. With the vision to serve the underserved people residing in rural and remote areas of Pakistan, the foundations of Sughra Shafi Medical Complex, the first project of Sahara for Life Trust, was laid in the underdeveloped area of Narwal. The complex spread over 150 canals, out of which 150,000 square feet has been covered by the 250-bedded hospital, which caters 10,000 patients OPD per month. The departments that are providing medical and surgical treatments round the clock in Sughra Shafi Medical Complex, Narwal, include Emergency Trauma Center, Medicine, Surgery, Gynae, Pediatrics, Ophthalmology, ENT, Psychiatry, Urology and Orthopedics. Other facilities including X-ray, ECG, ultrasound, latest laboratory, ambulance services and blood bank services. ICU and CCU units are saving the lives of many near-to-death patients. Equipped with ventilators, defibrillators and cardiac monitors. These departments are symbol of pride for the hospital. All the departments are working under the supervision of highly qualified doctors.
Finding this amazingly well-built hospital with fantastic facilities and very well equipped was quite surprising. The standard of the equipment here is exactly the same as I'm used to at home in England.
In the past, before the emergence of Sughra Shafi Medical Complex, sick and injured had to be taken to Lahore, and travel of 120 kilometers caused death of many patients who are now saved. Heart patients and seriously sick in and around Narwal are optimistic about their lives because Sughra Shafi Medical Complex is now their means of hope, care and healing. Sughra Shafi Medical Complex, Narwal extends the best possible health care to critically sick patients suffering from cancer, blindness, TB, mental disorders, kidney problem and other chronic diseases. According to the authenticated statistics, 800 women died because of gynecological problems in 1 year before the emergence of Sughra Shafi Medical Complex. In this area, there are numerous mothers who live under the poverty line and because of nutrition deficiency give birth to premature and underweight children. To save the lives of those children, neonatal nursery has been established with state-of-the-art equipment. This unit is saving the lives of countless children, which can be termed as miracle in life.
This hospital up there in the remote areas of Punjab was really a change from everything I had seen. It was a pleasure to find a hospital where people were being treated free at a standard that was equal to the best in the country. The hospital stands at the front of the town and is a mark of all the work that Sahara is doing in that remote area.
Till date, more than 1.2 million patients have received free of cost treatment from Sughra Shafi Medical Complex. Apart from clinical services, Sahara always responded to national and international natural calamities and disasters like earthquake in Pakistan. Sahara spent more than Rs 30 million on relief efforts in the affected areas. 3,200 fiberglass houses were distributed with the use of Chinook helicopters from USA. Medical camps were established. 90 trucks of utilities like food items, blankets, Warm clothes and tents were distributed. A team of Philippines doctors selected Sahara to work for earthquake victims. Military operations in August 2008 in Swat led to significant displacement of people. Sahara spent 20 million in shape of dry food items, medical camps, fans, and basic necessities of life. During the recent flood in Pakistan, Sahara spent 650 million on relief efforts in shape of shelter, cooked food, medical camps, medicines, surgical supplies, and dry food items in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Punjab, Sindh, Balochistan, and Azad Kashmir. In phase of rehabilitation, Sahara constructed 100 houses at district Muzaffargarh and handed over to poorest families. 800 houses are under construction. In recognition to services of Mr. Abrarul Haq and Sahara towards humanity, the Organization of Islamic Council, OIC, has designated him as its first ever humanitarian ambassador of OIC in 2011, which is an honor not only for Sahara but also for you and whole Pakistan. Prior to this, he was awarded Human Rights Excellence Award by the Government of Pakistan in the year 2010. He was also awarded Tamgha-e-Imtiyaz in recognition of his services for the victims of earthquake in 2005.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, आपकी दुआओं और ताउन से सुगरा शफ़ी मेडिकल कॉम्प्लेक्स में अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह पिछले 8 सालों में 12 लाख से ज़्यादा मुस्तहिक मरीज़ों का मुफ्त इलाज हो चुका है। आपसे दरख्वास्त है कि इस साल भी ज़कात की रकम देते वक्त सहारा फॉर लाइफ ट्रस्ट को याद रखिएगा।